Okay, Rana. Good morning, one and all. Today now I am going to solve the problem in exercise 6.3. That is Razia and Preeti. Razia and Preeti. Two students. Two students of class ninth. Class ninth together collected. Together collected 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees for the Prime Minister relief fund for victims of natural calamities. Write a linear equation. And draw the graph to depict the statement. Okay, Nana? What is giving in this problem? Razia and Preeti, two students of class 9, together collected 1,000 rupees for the Prime Minister Relief Fund. Okay, ninth class, Razia and Preeti together collected the amount 1,000 rupees for the Prime Minister Relief Fund for victims of natural calamities. Okay, what we have to find out in this one? Write a linear equation and draw the graph to depict the statement. First we will write. Let the amount collected by Razia. Let the amount collected by Razia be X rupees. After we will take, let the amount collected by Preeti be Y rupees. Will write. Let the amount collected by Preeti be Y rupees. By the given problem, amount collected by both is 1,000 rupees. That I will write. Amount collected by both is 1,000 rupees. That I will write. Amount collected by both means that is amount collected by Razia and amount collected by Preeti. That we have to write. X plus y will become 1,000. But what we have to find out in this problem? Write a linear equation and draw the graph to depict the statement. Okay, x plus y is equal to 100. Here we'll write where y is equal to 1,000 minus x will write. Here we have to write in this one x. After we'll take y is equal to 1,000 minus x. Again we'll write x comma y. First we'll take, let x is equal to 0, that is y is equal to 1000 minus 0 is 1000. 1000 minus 0 is 1000. That is the point, name it as 0, where x value is 0. After we'll write y value is 1000. After we'll take, let x is equal to 100, y is equal to 1000 minus 100, we'll write, that is the point 900. Here we'll write 100 comma 900. After we'll take the point x is equal to 200, that I will write y is equal to 1000 minus 200 is nothing but 800, will write. That is the point, name it as 200 comma 800. After we'll take one point, that is name it as x is equal to 300, y is equal to 1000 minus 300, will write, that is the point, name it as 700. Okay, we will write in this statement that I will write 300 comma 700. These are the given order pair values. After we will take the Cartesian plane, we will plot their given point. First we will take their Cartesian plane. This is x, this is x dash. We'll take, we will observe all the points are positive. Here we'll take, this is y, this is y dash. We'll write, first we'll write their scale. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to, we'll observe their x-axis value 0, 100, 200, 300, that I will take 1 centimeter is equal to 100 units will take. After we'll write on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to, we'll observe their y-axis value 1000, 900, 800, 700, that I will take. On y-axis also will take 100 units. This is the given scale. First we will plot their points. This is the origin, nothing but 0. X-axis will take 100 units, that is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000 will take. Their negative x-axis is minus 100, minus 200, minus 300 will take plus. After we'll take their positive y-axis is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. This is 900. After we'll take 1000. Okay, we'll plot these points. We'll plot these points. We'll write their scale. The first given point is 0, comma 1000. We'll observe in this one their x coordinate is 0, means given one can lies in y-axis. That is the point, name it as 0, comma 1000. After we'll take the point 100, comma 900. This is 100. This is 900. Take it the point 100, comma 900. After we'll take the point 200, comma 800. This is 200. This is 800. That is the point, name it as 200, comma 800. After we'll take the point 300, comma 700. This is 300. This is 700. Name it the point 300, comma 700. Join all the points of given graph. The name of a given graph is x plus y is equal to 1000. Write this one, after I will explain next one. Huh? Okay, Nana. After I will explain next one. Now I am going to eighth one, that is Gopaya. Gopaya showed wheat and paddy. Wheat and paddy. Wheat and paddy in two fields. In two fields of total area. Total area 5,000 square meters. 5,000 square meters. Write a linear equation. Write a linear equation and draw a graph to represent the same. To represent the same. What I am asking, Gopaya showed wheat and paddy in two fields of total area 5,000 square meters. Write a linear equation and draw a graph to represent the same. Observe. First we will write, let the wheat showed in the first field are x square meters. Will write, let the wheat showed let the wheat showed in the first field area be x square meters. After we will take, let the paddy showed in the second field area be y square meters. But what I am asking in this one, okay, Gopaya showed wheat and paddy in two fields of total area is 5,000 square meters. That I will write. Wheat showed in the first field area be x square meters. After that, paddy showed in the second field area be y square units. That I will take. X plus y is equal to 5,000 will take. Here we'll write where y is equal to 5,000 minus x will write. First we have to find out some consider values of x. After we'll find out the value of y. Finally we'll write the order pair of x comma y. 5,000 minus x. After we'll write the value x comma y. First we'll take x is equal to 100, y is equal to 5,000 minus 1,000 will write, that is the value is 4,000. Name it as the point 1,000 comma 4,000. After we'll take the point x is equal to 2000, y is equal to 5000 minus 2000. We'll write that is the point 3000. Here we'll write in this one 2000 comma 3000. After we'll take the point x is equal to 3000, y is equal to 5000 minus 3000. This is nothing but 2000. Here we'll write in this one 3000 comma 2000. After we'll take that x is equal to 4000, then y is equal to 5000 minus 4000, that is 1000. We'll write at the point, name it as 4000 comma 1000. Draw the Cartesian plane and find, then plot this given point, and finally form a graph of given equation that I will write. Here we'll take the given Cartesian plane. This is y, this is y dash. After we'll take this is x, this is x dash. We'll take, first we'll write scale on x axis. 1 centimeter is equal to, we'll observe, x axis values are 1000, 2000, 3000 and 4000. 1 centimeter is equal to 1000 units will take. After we'll write on y axis 1 centimeter is equal to, we'll observe their y axis values 4000, 3000, 2000, 1000. Here also will take 1000 units. Here we'll write this is the origin. So we'll take this is 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. Again we'll take 5000. Here we'll take minus 1000, minus 2000, minus 3000, minus 4000. After we'll take 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. Here we'll take minus 1000, minus 2000, minus 3000, minus 4000. Again we'll take minus 5000. First we'll plot the point 1000 comma 4000. On x-axis we'll take 1000, y-axis will take 4000. That is the name of given graph is 1000 comma 4000. After we'll take 2000 comma 3000. X-axis will take 2000, y-axis will take 3000. That is the point name it as 2000 comma 3000. After we'll take the point 3000 comma 2000. This is 3000. This is 2000. Name it as 3000 comma 2000. Again we'll take the point 4000 comma 1000. That is the point 4000 comma. Plot all the points of given graph. This is the name of given graph is. Name of given graph is x plus y is equal to 5000. Draw this graph. After now, I am going to next one. Now I am going to ninth one, that is the force applied on the force applied on a body of mass 6 kg 6 kg is directly proportional to the directly proportional to the acceleration directly proportional to the acceleration produced in the body produced in the body write a equation write an equation to express this observation and draw the graph of the equation What I am asking in this one, you will observe force applied by on a body of mass is 6 kg. Force applied on a body of mass is 6 kg is directly proportional to the acceleration produced in the body. Write an equation to express this observation and draw the graph of the equation. First, one condition is given. The force applied on a body of mass is directly proportional to the acceleration produced in the body. Force applied a body is directly proportional to the acceleration. First, we will write the force applied on a body of mass is directly proportional to the acceleration. This is the given condition. The force applied on a body of a mass is directly proportional to acceleration. Here given mass is given. Mass small m is equal to 6 kg is given. This mass is directly proportional to their acceleration. Already we know that force applied by body of mass, that I will take one formula. Force F is equal to F into ma will take. F is equal to ma will take. Already we know that where the given mass small m is equal to 6 kg is given, that I will write F is equal to 6a will write F is equal to 6a will write here. Let the force applied by let the force applied by body let the force applied on a body be what we have to take x. After we'll take their acceleration b, y will take, that is the acceleration b, y will take. That what we have to write in this given equation, that is x is equal to, where f is force applied by body is x, their acceleration is y, means that I will write x is equal to 6y will write. Here I have to write y is equal to 6 by x will write. Here we'll take some points, that is first we'll take x, after we'll take y is equal to 6 by x, finally we'll take x comma y. First we'll take, let x is equal to 1, y is equal to 6 by 1 is equal to 6, that is the point they have it as 1 comma 6. After we'll take, let x is equal to 2, y is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3, that is the point name it as 2 comma 3. After we'll take for the point, let x is equal to 3, y is equal to 6 by 3 is equal to 2, that is the point name it as 3 comma 2 will write. 3 comma 2 will write. We'll observe. I will draw a graph. This is a given graph. This is x. This is x dash. This is y. This is y dash. We'll observe their x-axis values. Their x-coordinate values are 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. That I will write. This is O. After we'll take, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After we'll take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. Here we'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here we'll take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5. First we'll plot the point 1 comma 6. First we'll write their scale. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. After we'll take on y-axis. On y-axis, sir, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit will take. Here we'll observe. Their x-coordinate value is 1. Y-coordinate value is 6. That is the point named as 1 comma 6 will take. After we'll take 2 comma 3. After we'll take the point 3 comma 2. Join all the points of the given graph. Given graph is a straight line. Name of the given graph is y. X is equal to 6y. X is equal to 6y. After now, I will explain next one. A stone is falling. A stone is falling from a mountain. From a mountain. The velocity of the stone is given by the velocity of the stone is given by P is equal to 9.8 into T. Draw its graph. Draw its graph and find the velocity stone. Velocity the stone. 4 seconds. After start. Four seconds after start. We'll observe what is given. Given velocity of the stone v is equal to 9.8 into t is given. V is equal to 9.8 into t is given. If we'll consider let v is equal to, okay, v is equal to something. Here we'll take some p values. After we'll take v is equal to 9.8 into t. Here I will write given I will write let p is equal to x and t is equal to y. What I have to write? X is equal to 9.8 into t, where t will become y will write. That I will write x. After that, y is equal to, here we'll take the values first. Let p is equal to y. After that, t is equal to x will write. That is the point named as y is equal to 9.8 into x will write. First we'll take the point x. After we'll write y is equal to 9.8 into x. After we'll write the point x comma y. First I will take let x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 9.8 into 0 is 0. That is the point 0 comma 0. After I will take let x is equal to 5. 9.8 into 5 will become 49. That is y is equal to 9.8 into 5. That is the value 45 will take. Here we'll write the point name it as 5 comma 45. 5 comma 49. After we'll take the point let y is equal to 10. X equal to 10, y is equal to 9.8 into 10 is nothing but 98 will take. Here the point name it as 10 comma 98. I will draw a graph. This is 0, x, x dash, y, y dash. First we'll write their scale on x-axis. Observe on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. After we'll take on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 49 units. Because of 0, 49 and 98. Here we'll take 5, 15, 20. After we'll take minus 15 and minus 20. After we'll take their y-axis 0, 49, 98. Again we'll take 0. I'm sorry, this is nothing but 49. This is nothing but 98. Again we'll take minus 49, minus 98 we'll take. What is the first point? First point is 0 comma 0. And the second point is 5 comma 49. Third point is 10 comma 98. Join all the points of given graph which is passing through the origin. Name of given one is y is equal to 9.8 into x. We'll draw this one. Verana. But in this problem, one more question is asked. What I am asked. Find the velocity of the stone 4 seconds after. But I will find the velocity of the stone after 4 seconds is what is given on velocity v is equal to 9.8 into t is given where t is equal to 4 seconds. That I will write v is equal to 9.8 into 4, that is 4 8 32, 4 9 36 plus 3 is 39, that is 39.2 is equal to 39.2 meter per second. Okay, Nana, remaining I have explained next class. See you next class.